Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account now. You need access to the security verification method tied to the account. Once signed in, go directly to your info and choose Manage how you sign into Microsoft. Make sure the email you want to add is available and you can receive messages at it. If you can't access your phone or authenticator, resolve that before continuing, because identity verification is required to change aliases and primary addresses. Next, add the new address as an alias under Manage Sign-in Preferences. Choose Add Email, type the address, and request the verification email. Check that inbox and complete verification immediately, then return to the Microsoft account page. Once verified, you'll see the new alias listed. Choose Make Primary to make it the main sign-in and notification address. This is the actual mechanism Microsoft provides to change the account email without creating a new account. Finally, after making the new alias primary, optionally remove the old address from the alias list to avoid confusion. Microsoft may require waiting up to 30 days for some removals. Sign out of Minecraft, Xbox, and related services, then sign back in using the new primary email to confirm everything moved over. If you hit errors, check for alias conflicts. Address already tied to another Microsoft account, and verify two-step authentication methods.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.